Welcome to Premier Inn. Your safety is the first thing on our minds. From the moment you step inside, you'll find a whole host of safety measures in place, from auto-dispensed hand sanitizers and protective screens at reception, to queuing systems for busy periods, and increased cleaning of high-touch surfaces in public areas. So you can look forward to not only a warm, but also a safe welcome. Unlike other hotel groups, every member of our housekeeping team is directly employed by us and a vital part of the Premier Inn family. All our team members have received enhanced training to enable them to deliver to the highest standards. They've also been given all the protective equipment they need. We use brand-leading sanitizing and cleaning products, and all our linen is laundered at over 60 degrees. For added protection, we've removed unnecessary high-touch items. But don't worry if you need anything like an extra pillow or more tea and coffee. All you have to do is ask. On top of all this, we'll be conducting extra checks after rooms are cleaned to ensure the highest standards are consistently maintained across every hotel. You'll see similar measures in place when you dine in one of our restaurants. We've placed signs and one-way routes on floors and ceilings. Tables have been moved to create extra space, and we put up protective screens to help everyone enjoy themselves at a safe distance. You can sit back while one of our team members takes your order. Our new paper menus are safely disposed of after every guest. We've provided all our team members with the equipment they need to work safely, such as protective visors, gloves and aprons where appropriate, while following national and local government guidelines. As soon as you're ready to travel again, you can book, stay and dine with complete confidence.